Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Diya Photography. So today we have photography. Today we have something very exciting. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile smartphone gimbal, and in today's video we are going to do a complete unboxing, first look, setup and testing. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Okay friends, let's open the box. Inside the box we get the DJI Osmo Mobile gimbal and its accessories. The packaging looks premium and easy to carry. This DJI Osmo Mobile is perfect for mobile videography and cinematic shots. With smooth stabilization, you can capture professional looking videos directly from your smartphone. Now let's connect the smartphone and start testing it. The balancing and controls are very easy to use. You can create smooth walking shots, pan shots, follow shots, and many creative cinematic movements. My first impression is really amazing. The stabilization feels smooth. This gimbal can be very useful for content creators. I will also upload more videos showing the settings, cinematic shots, and complete tutorial. So friends, how did you like this DJI Osmo Mobile? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Diya Photography for more photography, videography, camera review in the next video.